close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Now you understand it in seconds instead of reading a full textbook.
All we'll ever trust, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Quick revision before exams. If you want part 2 with more powerful prompts for assignments and essays, comment part 2.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
You don't even need to write notes manually anymore.
through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
This is like getting a mock test instantly.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the
Flashcards help you memorize much faster. Try these prompts today and see how much easier studying becomes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more student hacks.